taskboard screen. In this screen you can plan and update tasks status using the taskboard. In Scrum Agile projects, this screen also serves as sprint planning and can be used to create tasks for user stories. At the top of the screen you can select the board you wish to view by selecting the client, project, sprint or milestone in the team and clicking the refresh list button. The board in the center of the screen is divided into 5 columns. First column, backlog column. You can choose between 3 backlog types using the combo box. Project backlog will display the stories and tasks that are in the project's backlog box and have not been placed on the task board. The same is true for sprint and team backlog. Backlog without stories or tasks will appear empty. Tasks can be created for user stories in the backlog, primarily for use in Scrum Agile projects during sprint planning. Clicking the plus button or right mouse button to open the pop-up menu in user story items and clicking add task will pop up the add task window. You can add tasks to the task board by dragging the tasks or stories into the appropriate column. Dragging a user story with multiple tasks will be displayed on the task board as a user story box spread along the 4 columns: to do, in progress, reopened, and closed. Story tasks items will be displayed within the story box with task name, difficulty level, task type, bug or task, user point and an image of the employee to which the task is assigned. The name of the story appears above the tasks, so is the story's priority. You can drag tasks between the different columns. User stories without tasks will appear as a red story box. The task board is displayed on the planning screen in the same location as selected in the combo boxes, and you can edit, modify, and add items to it on the planning screen as well. To view more details about task, you can click the plus button next to the task item or right-click on the task item with the mouse. In the pop-up menu you can see extra details about the task such as estimated time, percentage of progress, description, etc. Each employee can manually edit his progress percentage of the task. You can automatically track the progress of the tasks by using the automatic time tracking system in the management menu, and you can learn more about automatic time tracking system in the tracking system videos. If the automatic tracking system is enabled, you can set the task as a primary task. This task will be marked with a special icon on the task board and will appear highlighted on the latest tasks panel. This indication appears only on the station in which the primary task was set, and other station will only see indicators if they have also set up primary tasks for monitoring. Press X to close the extended view window. Permissions. Each user can only see the relevant task board according to their permission. Also, the type of project affects the options that can be performed on the screen. For example, in a Scrum Agile project, a Scrum Master user who wants to drag a task from the backlog to the board will be warned that it is recommended that this action be performed by one of the team members rather than the Scrum Master, because the team members are the ones committed to the task. The same goes for the creation of tasks within user stories in Scrum Agile projects are usually done by members of the team, and a user without permissions will receive the appropriate warning. An employee without administrative privileges will only see the task board screen to update and monitor the team's tasks.